Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty chicken soup. To make this chicken soup, I am going to crush some fresh ginger and garlic. Add about 7 to 8 pods of garlic and then a 1-inch piece of ginger. Cut the ginger piece into small bits and then add it into a mortar and crush it nicely. Making this chicken soup with freshly crushed ginger and garlic takes the soup to another level. So crush it till it's nice and smooth like this. Now to make the chicken soup, take a large pressure cooker and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, add some whole garam masala. I've added some clove, cinnamon and bay leaves. Let this fry in the oil for some time. And then add 1 large onion, chop it into small pieces and add it in. Instead of this large onion, you can add the small ones also, the shallots. Then add 1 green chilli, cut it up and add it in. Saute these onions for 1 to 2 minutes till it's translucent. Then add the crushed ginger and garlic. If you don't have this crushed ginger and garlic, you can add any ginger garlic paste. Add it in and saute this until the raw smell of ginger and garlic leaves. Then add 2 tomatoes. Chop the tomatoes and then add it in. Mix the tomatoes along with the onion and ginger and garlic. Add a little bit of salt and mix it in. Now these tomatoes need not be cooked till it's mushy. You just have to cook the tomatoes for about 1 to 2 minutes. This is after 2 minutes. As you can see, the tomato has not cooked very well. You should be able to see the pieces of tomato. It should just be slightly cooked. At this stage, you can start adding the masalas. I added 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Instead of adding these powdered masalas, you can also crush your masala fresh like we did the ginger and garlic and add it in. That will also increase the flavor of the soup. Mix it all well together and let the masalas cook for 2 minutes. Then add the chicken. I've washed the chicken with turmeric powder and then add the chicken in. If you've not washed it with turmeric powder, then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder along with the other masalas. Combine all of this together and let the chicken cook for 2 minutes. Then add the water. You can add anywhere between 2.5 to 3 cups of water. Add the water and mix it all together. Add a little more salt and mix it in. At this stage, do a taste test. If needed, add a little more masala or salt. I just added a bit of more salt. Now close the pressure cooker and cook the soup for 3 whistles. Wait for the pressure to settle by itself and then you can open the cooker. As soon as you open the pressure cooker, add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and mix it all in. So this is it, a very easy and simple but tasty chicken soup is done. This is a South Indian style chicken soup. You can call this as chicken rasam also. If you have cold or throat pain or on a cold winter's day, having a bowl of this chicken soup is heartwarming. If your kids don't want to drink this chicken soup, you can add this soup to plain cooked white rice, and this will be the best chicken rasam rice for them. So do try out this tasty and delicious South Indian chicken soup. Until next time, bye bye.